We had learned in one of our previous videos about how cells were discovered. Cells are the basic structural and functional units, whether they exist as a single cell or a multicellular organism. All cells perform basic functions necessary to their own survival. Within each cell, chemical molecules are organized into a living unit. In turn, cells serve as building blocks for tissue, organ, and whole body function. Cell theory is the unifying foundation of cell biology. If you haven't watched our video yet on the discovery of cells, click on the card given above. All organisms are composed of cells. Some organisms consist of a single cell too small to see with the unaided eye. Others, such as humans, are multicellular and made up of different types of cells. Cells make up our skin, organs, and muscles. When we grow from a tiny embryo into a large adult, we do so by adding more and more cells. Every small or large living thing is made up of cell. Cells are so much a part of life that we cannot imagine an organism that is not cellular in nature. In today's video, we shall learn about the structural organization of cell in brief. The cell is made up of numerous inorganic and organic ions and molecules, including water, salts, carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. These molecules are organized to form the cell structures and biochemical pathways. Cells and the structures they form are too small to be directly seen, heard, or touched. The main layout of cellular organization differs amongst organisms. But despite these differences, all cells are fundamentally similar. The parts of cells that are common in all cells are cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleoid or nucleus. The cell membrane encloses a cell and separates its contents from its surroundings. The two primary regions on the inside of the cell are cytoplasm and nucleus. The cytoplasm, which comprises the cytosol and the organelles, is a semi-fluid matrix that fills the interior of the cell. Nucleus or nucleoid is the part of cell which contains DNA, the genetic material. On the basis of the internal architecture, all cells can be subdivided into two major classes, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Cells that have unit membrane-bound nuclei are called eukaryotic, whereas cells that lack a membrane-bound nucleus are prokaryotic. Eukaryotic cells have a much more complex intracellular organization with internal membranes as compared to prokaryotic cells. Besides the nucleus, the eukaryotic cells have other membrane-bound organelles like the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes, mitochondria, microbodies and vacuoles. The prokaryotic cells lack such unit membrane-bound organelles. A cell organelle, often known as a little organ, is a tiny biological structure that serves a specific purpose within a cell. Cell organelles and components include ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, nucleus, chloroplasts, and other essential components of the cell. They play a vital role in the functioning and working of the cell. Cell organelles are of four types on the basis of membranes. First, organelle bounded by single unit membrane. For examples, microbodies, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies. Second, organelle bounded by double membrane, such as plastids, mitochondria and nucleus. Third, organelle bounded by triple membrane. Example, transosomes. Fourth, organelle without any membrane. Examples are ribosomes, centriole, nucleolus. If you want a detailed video on the cell organelles, comment organelle. We will update next with the part 2 of this video. Till then, stay tuned and do not forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.